Do 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 to Melodian short skits. Yeah.
La di da di do. I am rolling because I am a ball.
Bird.
What?
Bird.
What? How?
Bird.
Why are you back? You were supposed to be a one-time thing. What? Oh, dear God.
Bird. 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 Bird.
Guys! Wait, Solar, what happened to you? Oh, I drank this human potion, so now I'm a human. Okay. Anyways, the birds are coming. The what? Birds! No! Birds. Why is this happening to me? Birds. What? Hi, South Vietnam. Hey. South Vietnam, what are you doing here? Well, you see, I have been here for years now. I have tried to escape multiple times, but yet it doesn't work. Huh. Interesting. But we have no time for that. Let's fight the birds, yeah! Birds! Take this! You hit me! Sorry. Whoa, I'm getting dizzy. Birds! Ow! Birds! Ow! Where am I? Right in me buzz. Why are you talking like that? I have no idea. Birds! Why are there so many birds? Bro, do something! Help us! You know what? Don't worry, I got this. Dumbledore. There's no F in Dumbledore. Well, that worked. No, you killed one of our brethren. Oh, you hit me. Wait, they're just fighting each other now. I am so confused. Yeah, let's get out of here. Yeah. Alright, here you go. I made it! Yay, I'm free! What? Yeah, woo, yeah, woo! Huh? No! No! Oh, wait, never mind.